Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel and welcome back into my kitchen. Yes, that's what we're making today, Portabello pizza, no need for flour. This will be fun, come and join me. Oh, so yummy, look at that, juicy, and this is easy to make. This is what we need, some cheddar cheese, pizza sauce ready in the jar. We have onion, garlic, pizza herb, a bit of salt, some oil, and of course the mushroom. I took out the stems and chopped them together with the onion and the garlic. Chop them finely. Now heat the olive oil in the pan and saute the onions. Mix well and add the garlic. Cook until it's soft and add the stems of the portobello mushrooms. Season well with freshly ground pepper, some salt. I use Himalayan salt, pizza herb. Mix them well, and some of your sauce so it doesn't dry. Mix it well. Top your mushrooms with the fillings and more sauce on top of it, and our grated cheddar. You can use any cheese you want, and I put more, sprinkling with pizza herbs and drizzle with olive oil so it doesn't dry. Preheated oven to 200 Celsius and bake it until the cheese are melted and you can see how soft it becomes. And that's it, guys. How easy was that? Easy, quick, and yummy too. Low in carbs, high in protein. Serve it hot, warm, with your favorite salad or just as it is. Yummy, good for snack or as main. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video, or whenever you have time, check out my previous videos here. Cheers to everyone. Stay safe, healthy, happy, and connected. Yes, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for notifications so you don't miss a thing. Bye for now, guys, and lots of love to all. So yummy.